So the oberoi, always wanted to stay here. And here we go. So that's the main door, and once you enter, it's a lovely bar here. Nice sitting place, TV, a beautiful room, high wall. That's the picture of the In and Out oberoi Hotel. Nice gesture. That's like outside. Peerless in another hotel. Nice. I like the desk and the chair. Typical like old times. Yeah. Nice, lovely bed. Like a huge, lot of woodwork, you know. They're from, I don't know which century, but they're pretty old. Let me see the washroom. Whoa, that's really cool. And the bathtub. Lovely. Amazing, yeah? I like this. Old timer goodies, you know. Very nice. So that's pretty much it, and you got a lot of okay for keeping your things. I think that's the fridge, and there's some beer and stuff. This is the tea, coffee, wine, biscuits, and blah blah blah. And that's the press and every other thing that you need in life. Overall, it's a cool place to be, and I'm like loving it, totally loving it. Oberoi Grand, inside out.